Alright, throw salute. Another welcome for Football in Beijing. After match, talk about how you see am. I beg, if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button, like, share, and drop comment for inside this video. Oga Edafe, I throw a salute. I greet you. We don't see what they share for inside this match. Tottenham Hotspur 0 and Arsenal 2. The last time where your team beat Tottenham Hotspur for their house, now 2014, and Thomas Rosicky now scored that goal. But today now, your team don't come beat Tottenham Hotspur. That one means say home and away when I don't collect them this season. Now how you dey see the kind of bungen doing where your team they deliver this season?
The team was see for this team.
Increase your volume small.
Yeah, the team was see for this team. All the players they work together as a team because now teamwork. If not, if this one lose ball, the other one must make sure say cover for her. So this particular match, this derby, so now do or die because last season, now they make us, they cost us this Champions League spot. So we take a personal and say this time, any IB, we must go and do the thing for their own home. And I thank God say we really do, and not be just to make mouth. We deliver. So that is it.
So with the way your team they play right now, you believe still not going to win the league?
As they go now, I never really want put a leg for front first. But we just win our matches, they go, they collect our points, they go.
One by one.
One by one. So my own, I'm just they win our match. I know they look to the point too. But if we win the league, it's a plus. It's a harder thing. But the next match now, I mean Man U match. The team where they do us for their home. I want to really go show them, say, this time, it's not going to be like that.
So what be your prediction for that match when Manchester United and Arsenal go play next week?
Now the 3-1 where they give us, they give them back straight. 3-1. I say Rashford will score their goal. But we will give them 3. That 3 sure. Odegaard, Martinelli, and Saka, they'll deliver for us.
So what do you get to talk about your manager, Mikel Arteta?
Mikel Arteta, this unity where he bring, he really call all the players, they reach out to them, they check up on them. That love, that unity. Because last season, I watched one of his video in press talk where they beat us now. He was like, you guys say you want to play Champions League. Look at what you played. You played rubbish. All of them was cold. They're shocked. The talk entered there. So this season, they see everything, say, the thing is in our palm now. We have to deliver, play. Because even if they deliver, if they play well now them they go buy well. Now them they go rate well. So he's helping them at the same time. They were also helping themselves, building their own, profile high. So the relationship now is strong. Even they want to give all of them like contracts. Saliba is collecting contracts, Saka, Martinelli, every one of them now, because they see the unity there. So that's it.
So make I ask you about Arsenal transfer business now. We know say transfer window they open. You don't laugh first because you know where they go. We don't say you get one player Arsenal been they pursue kitty for inside this transfer window. Chelsea, you don't unveil them today. As an Arsenal fan, how you see that thing and what do you expect from your club for inside the transfer window before the transfer window go end by the end of January?
Okay, this Modric deal. Actually, the guy come from Ukraine. I don't watch him play for YouTube. As a Ukraine league, I don't see him really watching that 100 million. And as Arsenal, they see the structure. There's something where they build. One player no fit come from nowhere, without money. That's why they dey a little bit slow. But Arsenal work on intelligence. They do them against Martinez. Man, you bring 50 million, I will go buy Zinchenko. We see the impact of Zinchenko. Even Gabriel Jesus. Chelsea go to hijack the thing, but now he say he won't play for Arsenal. You understand? So even this deal now, as that guy won't go make the guy go. And like this as we talk, so Arsenal don't go Barcelona, go meet Rafinha. So if you look and I see sensible deal, Rafinha is the best, alternative. I would prefer Rafinha to that Modric guy. Because Rafinha don't prove himself for Premier League, go Barcelona, still don't do the thing. But this Modric guy, now for Ukraine. So any IB, even though the guy comes self, I don't know where he want to play. Because Martinelli, they deliver. Saka, they deliver. So maybe they just bring Rafinha. I'm okay with Rafinha. I'm okay with Martinelli. I'm okay with Jesus. Marquinhos there for the bench. Smith Rowe did there. Fabio Vera did there. So no wahala. No wahala. We did the league. We did. Thank you.
All right, I got Oga Idafi. Thank you for your time. Your face. My country people, now loyal boy, of course, where they loyal like loyal me. I say make I thank una as we take watch this our content, but make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share it with your friends and family. And also, the way you go take follow us for the different social media platform, they for the description for inside this video.